So guys, let me introduce Go Charting platform from the home page. So if you open Go Charting homepage, so um, right. So first of all, you will see the product section. So here we have mainly two products, that is charts and options desk. So we'll talk about this in a while. And then before that, I would like to talk a little bit about the different plans because most of the time new peoples are confused like which plan I have to take in based on their market in which they are trading. So we have basically three plans. One is India, second is USA, and third is crypto and forex, right? So so for Indian market, guys, for Indian market, we have three plans. So one is India Lite. So this plan is basically for live open interest, and like you will not get the live chart here, but you will get the live open interest. So if you, I have just shown you, we have two products, right? Options desk and charts. So some features of option desk can be used by this plan. I will explain it in a little bit. Then we have under India NSE Premium. So this is our full plan. If you take this, all the features will be accessible to you for Indian market. And this is the MCX plan. Okay, so NSE. So these are based on exchanges, and this is the India All plan, All Premium. Then if you go to USA, so this one is equity ETF premium. Like this is for US stocks. Okay, so all the US stocks order flow and ETF order flow can be seen under this plan. And then we have this CME plan. Okay, so CME premium, and then we have CME bundle. So in US market, the futures and options, exchanges are different. So this is actually futures data. So CME premium includes the index futures and currency futures. So index means NQ, ES, and the currency futures like euro, Japanese yen, or Canadian dollar. All those futures are there under this plan. But apart from this, if you also want to trade in, say for example, energy like crude, commodities like gold, right? So in US there are different exchanges for different things. So we have exchanges like NYMEX, COMEX, CBOT. So CBOT is basically for Dow Jones and all those things. So if you take the CME bundle, it will include all the other exchanges as well. So CME includes only the basically the index and currency futures, and this includes all other one. Okay, and then if you want to trade in crypto and forex market, then you can trade. You can take this plan. This is currency premium, where you get the all forex related symbols and also crude oil and the CFD of basically the indexes. So for example, the NQCFD will be like NDX 100, and those you can see here. So the difference between this plan and the USA CME plan will be like these will be the futures, but this will be the currency pair, and the data will depend on the exchange. So right now we have Oanda Exchange, XChief, and few others are we are integrating very soon. So this is about the different plans. Now, I would like to tell you the learning path. So before, because if you are new, like if you are new, then you definitely want a quick learning path to Go Charting, so that you don't waste your time much, right? So what you have to do is, so first of all, few people are interested in documentation. Okay, so if you go to the Academy section. Okay, so here we have online learning like YouTube playlist. So I'll go to YouTube in a while, and then we have this Docathlon. Okay, so this is the documentation of all the features. You can read this documentation. All the settings and everything is explained in the documentation. But if you want to watch it in video format, okay, so this is our channel, Go Charting channel. So here a lot of activities are going on. So this daily market analysis is also going on a daily basis. Me and Angad sir, we keep on posting daily market analysis, and then there are lots of videos, right? So for people who are very new to the platform, they should first start from this Go Charting primer series. If you can watch it in Hindi or in English. Okay, And then you want to understand the concept, then there are different things, like you can go to this professional trader kaise bane. Then we have very good playlists on, volume profile, market profile, and then order flow. Okay, we have deep dived in these playlists. If you want to learn strategies, right, so here very good and efficient strategies we have discussed with by help of Angad sir. You go and watch these videos. These videos are loved by a lot many people. Okay, so you can watch these strategies. So this was about the what do you say, the YouTube channel, and how you will be learning. So to learn about the platform, you should definitely start from the primer series first of all. Okay, you can quickly learn, but anyway, I'm covering most of the things in this webinar. So if you need any other deep dive, then you can use these videos. Otherwise, we'll be covering almost all the things. Now, this playlist is for primers series on options desk. So options desk, as I have explained, that we have two products, right? Charts and options desk. So this one can be used to understand the features of options desk. And then you can also explore this playlist where we have explained how you can connect your broker and you can do live trading. Okay, this is for apps. You can explore these things. Now let me go to the products. So we have two products. One is charts and one is options desk. So we'll be covering these two. So this is charts and this is the options desk. Okay. So if you see the options desk, we have multiple tabs over here: chain, risk, analysis, flow, right? You have all these things, which is not in case of here in the charts. So charts is a different product and this is a different product. Okay. So we'll be covering quickly all the features of this chart section. Okay, so before that, once again, I would like to confirm whether my voice is audible and you're properly able to see the screen. So can someone please confirm in the comment box? Okay, fine. Thank you. Right. So see, sir, Go charting platform is mostly for order flow. First of all, the prime thing is order flow. Although we are a complete platform as of now, we have integrated lots of many features. Now, first of all, you have to search the symbol here. Okay. Now, if you want to see the order flow, what you have to do is you have to search for either futures, options, or stocks. So for example, this is the index. Guys, index is not traded. Okay, so index does not have any volume. So if you see the order flow for this, you will not get any order flow. So to get the order flow for Nifty or Bank Nifty, we have to search for futures. So we have selected the futures, and now if I zoom in, now you will be able to see the order flow. Now there is other settings as well, which I'll be explaining. So from here, you can adjust the time frame, and you can also add some custom time frame. Like many people want to use like 75 minutes to different kind of time frame. You can set all those time frames from here. We also have you can say the formula chart. So if I want to search for Nifty chart, I can search for Nifty. But if I want to make a formula, say for example, I want to add Nifty and Bank Nifty together, right? So what I can do is I can press is equal to, then I will search Nifty, okay, and then I will add plus, and then I will add Bank Nifty, okay. So just hold on, just give me a second, guys. Right. So then I will add Bank Nifty, right? Okay, so this is our formula, and if I press enter, we'll be getting the Nifty plus Bank Nifty formula chart. Okay, so in this way you can create multiple kind of permutations and combinations. So I will add Nifty as of now. Right, so the key is press is equal to create formula charts. Okay, now let me add again the Nifty futures chart. And if you see here, guys, see we have different kind of chart types. This is area chart. Then we have line chart. We have candlestick, normal candlestick charts. Okay. So these are different kind of charts: hollow candle, OHLC, Heikin-Ashi, line break. So if you want to dig deeper into these kind of charts, like their concept, you can again go to Decathlon, which I have just shown you the documentation part. We have given a detailed, understanding about these kind of different charts. Now, what I'm going to talk is about these two kind of charts. One is imbalance and second is cluster. Okay, so what is the difference between two? So first of all, cluster chart is the main chart. Okay, and imbalance chart is just one type of cluster chart. Okay, so let me first talk about imbalance chart, and then we'll also see the cluster charts. So this is the imbalance chart. Okay, now if you zoom in, guys, see, you can see the numbers. So these are the market buy orders and these are the market sell orders. Okay, so how the orders are getting printed? See, if you see the market now, in the market there are two kind of order. Rather, if I'll just add BTC USDT, that will make much better picture for you. Okay, so this is our DOM. If you see here in the DOM, you see there's a bid side order. Okay, so I'll just increase the number of steps. Okay, so here you see this is the bid. Okay, these are bid. So what is bid? Bid is limit buy order. And what is ask? Ask is limit sell order. Okay, so this is limit buy and this is limit sell. So there are four kind of orders. So two kind of orders you can see here, that is limit buy and limit sell. So if you see on the left hand side, we have limit buy order. Okay, so limit buy orders are always matched by market sell order, which is the third kind of order. Okay, so what are four kind of orders? Limit buy, limit sell, market buy, market sell. Okay, so the limit buy order are always matched by market sell orders. So that is why you see market sell order on the left side, because here we have limit buy order on the left side. So these orders are getting matched. Okay, and similarly limit sell orders are matched by market buy order. Okay, so these orders are matching with these orders and these orders are matching with these orders. So this is called a two-way auction theory, two-way auction. So at the same time, buying and selling is happening on the both sides. So limit buy is matched by market sell and limit sell is matched by market buy. Now in the footprint chart, what you are getting is you are not getting limit order, but you are getting the market orders. So which are executed against these limit order. Okay, so these things you are getting on the footprint chart. So these are executed market order, and in the DOM, which you call depth of market, you get the limit orders. Okay, limit buy and limit sell. So now someone could ask that, do we get this for Indian market? So guys, there are different levels of market depth. Okay, so in case of India, you do not get that much market depth, but a few brokers, like if you connect with the broker, so I will explain about it, how you will connect with the brokers. Like these are the broker list here. Okay, so we have these brokers. If you connect with the broker, few brokers provide the market depth, but also that depth is only at the broker level. It is not at the NSE level, the aggregated level. Okay, so these are a few things we'll talk in a while. So this was market. So I hope I could explain what is this footprint chart. Now let me go to the setting of these charts. So if you click on this setting, there are lots of settings you can explore. These are easy settings. Okay, you can always refer to the videos we have recorded, but I will be talking about the important settings, right? So as we know that this is the imbalance chart. So what is imbalance, guys? See here, if you see imbalance calculation, you can calculate based on the ratio or you can calculate based on the fixed number. Okay, so suppose we have selected the ratio and the imbalance percentage is 300. So what does this mean? This means that if the buy side number are more than 3 times to the sell side number, we get the buy side imbalance. Okay, and if the sell side numbers are more than 3 times the buy side number, then we are getting the sell side imbalance. Okay, so here you see this is 738 and this is 171. By the way, you are not comparing like this. Okay, you are always comparing diagonally. Okay, like this diagonally. Okay, so like here you see 71468. So this is the diagonal. Here you see 194 and 956. So this is the sell side imbalance. Okay, so this is shown by the yellow color. because this is the imbalance color we have chosen. Also, the text color will be blue. Here you see the text color is blue. Okay. Now, also what you can do is you can enable this show SR zones. So if you click on this, now if the number of imbalances are 3, so if the stacked imbalances are 3, you will get the support and resistance zone. So let me reduce it to 2, and let me see if we are getting, let me just go back a little. Okay, so here if you see this one. Okay, right? So here we have two imbalances, right? So here we are getting a support line. These, if you learn to use them properly, although we'll be having quite another sessions, specific session on imbalances and all those things, like how you can trade these imbalances. If you can learn these things, they provide a very good insights on the market. Okay, so these are the imbalance. You see the market is taking support from these levels again and again, right? So we'll talk about these things in another webinar, but this is about the settings of the imbalance. Okay, so if you enable this show SR zones, you'll be getting these kind of things. Okay, then you can change the colors of left cluster and right cluster, and then also the text color. These are the different kind of setting. What is lopsided format? So lopsided format is basically, so if you switch on the lopsided format, it will highlight more buy side or sell side, which is having more number of buyers or sellers. Say for example, in a candle, if there is a more number of buyers, it will highlight more to the buy side rather than sell side. So let me just switch on this lopsided. Okay, see, so this candle has more number of buyers. You can see 1.1k, 1.2k, 1.5k, but sellers are very less. So what will happen? It will give more weightage to buy side. Okay, also we have a very interesting feature which I did not tell you here. Where is that? Yes, show profile. So if you click on the show profile, now this is very interesting. Like you can easily find out where the maximum number of buyers are present inside a candle. Okay, so you should also switch on this. And then these are very important other features which I think you can explore on your own slowly. We have explained all these things in a video which I have just shown you here. Okay, so you can deep dive on it and you can understand about these features in detail, much more detail. So this was about the imbalance. Now there is another setting. If you go to the setting over here, okay, and just 1 minute guys, let me change the theme to lighter theme so that you can see the numbers. Now let me go to the setting over here and we will talk about the order flow setting. Okay, so here there is something called tick manager. So what is tick manager? Let me just switch it off first of all. Let me use the Nifty chart. It will be more relatable to you guys. Okay, so I have switched off auto mode. Now what is this block? See guys, every tick for Nifty is 5 paisa. Okay, so if you multiply with a number, say for example 100, we have multiplied with 100. Now what is the block size? Block size is 5. So what does that mean? Let us try to understand this. So if you see, I'll put it 200. It'll be much better. See, so the block size is 10. So if I keep my mouse over here, the number is 23690, and here the number is 23680. Okay, so from 23680 to 23690. So this is the 10 block size. Okay, so and in this price range, whatever number of buyers are there, that will be presented here. Okay, so this is about the tick manager. So you can choose for Nifty, you can choose any number between 100 to 150 based on your liking. Okay, there is no fixed rule. You can also, it depends on ATR, like the market volatility on that day. Then you can also switch on or switch off the format volume. Okay, so if you switch on the format volume, either you can put the auto lot size. So for example, as of now, the lot size for Nifty is 25. So if you click on this, the entire numbers will be divided by 25. Okay. Maybe in few, if the Nifty lot size is getting changed to 75, you can put the manual lot size at 75. So you see all the numbers are being, divided by 75. Then we have this power trade scanner. You can put the volume and the time interval, and you can apply the power trade. So you will get the live signal. So this is only for live signal. You will not get the, you cannot backtest basically this feature. Okay. So now this was about the imbalance and the tick size and all the settings. Now we will talk about the cluster chart. Okay. So for cluster chart, if you see the cluster chart, okay, let me first reset it to default. Okay, so cluster chart, you will see you have some other option as well. So if I select the column as double, now here I have more options. So you will not get these options in the imbalance chart. So here you see, I have option to set sell volume trades, buy volume, sell volume, delta trades, all those things. Okay, so I can, find a very interesting chart for you. Let me do it. I can keep delta on the left side, and I can keep volume on the right side, and then I can switch on the show profile here and show profile here. Now you see, guys, this is a it carries so much of information in this chart. This chart is also containing delta and the volume. So you can compare like which price level is more important to you. If it is having more delta and more volume, means that level is more important to you. Okay. Now you can also have preset options. If you simply, so first of all, you have to select the cluster chart. You will not get this feature if you select imbalance chart. No, you will not get this feature. So you have to select the cluster chart, and you right click on the candle, and then you have some presets. You have the delta profile, you have the bid ask profile, right? You can have the volume profile. These are different kind of profiles. Okay, you can get in the cluster chart. So cluster chart, as I told, this is the main chart, and imbalance chart is just one type of chart, just one type of cluster chart. Okay, so now let me change it to double. Now again, I'll show you these options. So there are so many options, right? And you will be confused, like which option is what information does this represent? Sell volume, what is buy volume, what is sell trade? So guys, let me make your life easy here. So what you have to do is, you have to go to Go Charting channel, go to playlist, and here if you go to this video, this is called bar statistics feature explained. Okay, we have explained all these features. So why in bar statistics? Because if you apply the bar statistics, okay, and if you go to the setting of the bar statistics, you will get these all options. Okay, so this includes all the options of bar statistics. So we have explained all these options, and you will see almost similar options here. Okay, like these. Okay, so these options are automatically included in the bar statistics options. So you can, explore this video, the second video, and we have explained all these features. You can understand about each of them in great detail. Okay, so this will make your concept very clear. Okay, so this was about chart types. I hope you are getting what I am trying to explain. If it is clear to you, you kindly tell me in the comment section. Say yes, no, whatever it is. Yes, we will post this on YouTube for sure. So I hope yes. Great. Great. We'll open the question answer session in the last. So kindly just hold on with me. Okay. So this was so I have taken lots of time to explain this. Okay. So let me just go to another features now. So we'll have the candlestick charts now. And then we also have the compare feature, which is very easy. Like you can add whatever chart you want to compare with Nifty simply. Then this is our indicator section, FX study. Okay, so these are different kind of indicators. You can go through them. Like you must be aware of these kind of indicators like RSI and all those things. What we have here is order flow. Okay, now in the order flow indicator, we have this bar statistics, which is I have just applied below. This is bar statistics. And if you want to understand about these features, I have told you to go to this video. Okay. Then we have delta bars. So this is the delta bars. Okay, these are the delta bars, and we take a lot of help from delta bar. Okay, we keep on educating about these insights in through our daily, market analysis videos. So like if you see this video here, if we have, we take help of delta bar for sure. Okay, so without delta bar, maybe you will not be able to trade. Okay, so you should definitely learn about the delta bars. And if you go to the setting of the delta bars, you can have option to make it cumulative. Okay, and also cumulative, you have option to reset the session. So you can reset them on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis, or on the visible candles all. So your delta, cumulative delta is what? Basically it will keep on adding from the previous delta. So if it is a positive delta, it will add. If it's a negative delta, it will just go down. So if you see the chart of delta, right? So this is the delta chart. Okay. Now many people try to use the delta chart with price chart by using like delta divergence kind of things they are observing, and they are getting good trades. Okay, so definitely we'll be explaining delta divergence and all those things in great detail in coming webinar. We have a full plan about this. Okay, so we'll be explaining this. So this was about delta. So let me delete this, and then we have other indicators. We have this market profile. Okay, and we have market profile tick. So what is the difference between market profile and market profile? So guys, market profile tick, it uses the tick volume data. Okay, so if you are using the tick version, what you can do is you can go to the setting order flow, and if you change the order flow block size, you see it will become very granular. Okay, let me first hide this one. Okay, see, now you can't even see that. Now you are able to see this, the granularity. Okay, so you can adjust the block size. Okay, by from here you see. Okay, so this was about the market profile tick, but market profile tick will not work on index. So if you want to apply on index, it will not work. You see, you will not get market because there is no tick data. So what you can do is then you can use the normal market profile. Okay, so same thing goes with the volume profile and volume profile tick. Okay, then we also use VWAP. You must have seen Angad sir's video. He's using VWAP extensively. He is a master in VWAP. Okay, so as I have told you guys, definitely go and watch these videos. Okay, you will get lots of insights. Let me just tell you. Yeah, go to playlist and then webinar and trading strategies. Just watch these videos. Okay, these videos are very good, and you will see a lot of insights on how to use VWAP for trading. Okay, then we have these are indicators related to open interest, and we have this order flow trader. Basically, the order flow trader is the free version of the third party indicator, which is developed by Michael Walters. So here we have these third party add-ons. So you can, I mean, if you are interested, you can definitely take them. Yeah, so this is all about the order flow indicator. We also have one interesting indicator related to volume profile and market profile. If you go to tools, and if you go to shapes and text, okay, so here you have this fixed range market profile, fixed range volume profile, fixed range volume profile tick. So market profile tick fixed range is yet not available, but you can use this fixed range volume profile tick. So you can apply from here to here, and this is your volume profile tick. You can also use the normal volume profile tick. Okay, so like this. And we also use lots of, I personally like this fixed range market profile. I use it quite extensively. So this is a fixed range market profile. Okay, so you can also take help of these tools in your trading. Okay, so after this, guys, we have this replay button, which is quite common. You can do the bar, bar, and it is free. Basically, this feature is free. Okay, so you can do backtesting with this bar replay. Now coming to this buy sell button. Okay, so let me talk about this. So we'll use BTC USDT because it's live right now. And let me delete other indicators, make the chart very clean. So now we are going to discuss about how to trade and how you can do the trading, okay, in Go charting. So first of all, if you want to do trading, what you have to do is you have to connect your broker with Go charting. So we'll also talk about the broker section with this, okay. So this is the broker section. Now in the broker section, these are two paper traders, okay. So these are two paper traders and these are real brokers. Okay. So for India, we have these many brokers. You can connect with these brokers and do the trading. Also, if you want to understand in detail how you can connect your broker with Go charting and do trading, see, we have made video for every other broker. Every single broker, the video is there. So you can watch your, related video from here. Now let me try to connect with SimTrader, okay? Because right now we cannot connect with the real broker, so we'll connect with the SimTrader. So this is the Sim browser, okay? But what we will do is we'll not connect with the Sim browser, we'll connect with SimTrader server. Why server? Because in server side, your position will be saved in the server side. So what will happen? Even if you change your laptop or device, your positions will be same, okay? So I will agree and I will connect. So let it get connected. Okay, so this is connected now. Now you can add, so this one is default account. You can add multiple accounts. So this is the setting window. You can set your currency, you can set the commissions and all those things. But we have another great detailed video on our channel about explaining these features. So now let me talk about trading first of all. Okay, so here we have buy button or the sell button. See, you can have the buy or sell orders, and there are four kind of orders. That is limit buy or limit sell, market buy or market sell, stop buy and stop limit buy. Okay, so these are four kind of orders, and then you also have the bracket order option. Take profit and stop loss. You also have the option of trailing stop loss. So how you are going to set all these things? You go to setting, go to trading setting. See, here we have multiple settings. Like if you're trading, your executions will be shown. Okay, so if I'll click on the buy, see, this executions will be shown over here. Then beep on execution. So these are a few things, right? And here I'll tell about the important things. So there is something called quick trade mode. So quick trade, what is quick trade mode? It is right now it is off. Okay, so let me close it. I'll open it again. So for example, I want to, buy here quickly. So if I can right click, simply right click, I'm getting the buy limit, sell stop limit option. Okay, so I'll simply click on buy market. Now what is happening? See, this window is coming. So this is not the quick trade mode. If I go and switch on the quick trade mode, okay, and switch it off, now if I right click and I'll do buy limit, see, my buy limit order is placed. The window is not coming. See, this is modified. This is also getting modified. If I slide it, it is getting modified, right? But if I make this quick trade mode as off, and what will happen if I am modifying it? See, this window is coming, so that you can again fill the values here and then you press modify. So it depends, like how you want to do this. I personally like this feature. I generally make quick trade mode on. Okay, and after my entry is happened, what I'll do, suppose this is my entry, so this is my stop loss. I simply right click over here and sell stop, right? So this is my, and if the market is going in my direction, what I'll do, I'll keep on, trailing it like this. So this makes my trading life very easy. Okay, so let me close these things now first of all. Now what are the other options? Let us see. So in the trading, you see we have these SL spread and target price spread. So if I switch them on, and let me take them based on either offset or percentage, okay, you can set based on all the price. So if I take the offset and make it 100, here also 100. Now if I press the buy button, you see take profit and stop loss is automatically filled, right? So the price right now is 98,000 and this is nine, sorry, what is this? 93,900. I think something is wrong here. No, hold on. Yeah, so let me, based on the price. Yeah, then, yeah, sorry. So if I want to, add, say price, say for example, it is 98,118. Okay. So what I can do is I can set it like, if my SL spread is say for example, 99,000, and my target price, sorry, this is 97,000. Okay. And this is 99,000. Okay. If I am setting this and then I go to buy, so this take profit and stop loss is coming. So you can also put the bracket order here. But at the same time, guys, see, one thing is important. For Indian market, you may not see these options working for option, because bracket order are not allowed in options. Okay. But these orders are allowed in stocks, so you can use these options very well with Indian brokers. Then we also have this option. This is important. This is, what is this trigger spread? Guys, what is trigger spread? So suppose you want to place a stop order. Okay. So we have two kind of stop order. One is sell stop limit and one is sell stop. So if I place this sell stop limit, okay. First of all, let me switch off this quick trade mode. Okay. Now you see what happens. Suppose you are putting this sell stop limit order. So in case of, see, limit order, you have to enter only one price. Market order, nothing you have to enter. Stop order, you have to enter only one price. But for a stop limit, you have to enter two prices. One is limit price and one is stop price. And this feature is important for Indian market, because in case of options, especially options, you cannot put stop order. You have to put stop limit order. Okay. So what will happen? Suppose you want to put a stop order over here. So what is the input here? The input here is 96,875, because that is the price level where you have kept your mouse. But so if you right click, you see automatically it will take that price, 96,875. But you have to put another price also, right? Because the limit price and stop price. So what will happen if you do the setting here based on the ticks price or offset? So the another price will be automatically taken here. The another price will be automatically filled. Okay. So this is important to understand. So when you are doing quick mode trading, these options are important to understand. Okay. So we have covered the trading options, and you also understood very well how to you can connect with the broker and do quick trading. Okay. So I hope these things are clear as of now. Okay. Now, after these things are clear, these are other setting. There are other settings as well. You can again go to our YouTube video and you can learn in great detail about these settings. I have covered all the important settings. Okay. So other settings you can always cover. Then we have these layers. So this is very simple. Layers is simple. You can add alerts. So you can right click and add alert, or you can simply add alert from here, or then you can add alert from here as well. Okay. So for alert, as of now, we have two kind of alerts, that is based on price and 1-day cumulative volume delta. Guys, we are working on it. We are very soon going to release alert on the indicator crossover based on indicator value, and this feature will be more advanced in coming days. We are on it. Then we have this books feature, like all the trades and orders are coming. We have just seen the depth of market. Okay. So yeah, so depth of market we have covered. If you want to learn more about depth of market, just click on this question mark and you will see this video. You can understand in great detail about this. This is the news section. Then this is option chain. Okay, so for BTC there is no option chain. For Nifty we have option chain. So this is the option chain. You can simply click on this space bar, and you will get the option charts, right? So these are the option charts. You can also press on buy and sell directly from here, and you can directly place order, right? So this is about the option chain. Also, there's a very interesting feature, guys. If you click on this basket order here, okay, Now what you can do is you can press this sell and sell. So now it will not see if the basket order is not on. If you press sell, this window will open. Okay, but if you switch on this basket order, it will create a basket. Now what you can do is you can analyze these, these positions if you are interested in making option strategies, and then you can also, place the basket order, and you can also see the strategy chart. See, so if you are, selling these two strikes, okay, what will be the strategy chart for this? This is your profit and loss strategy chart. Okay, these are very interesting options. So you can make all these things from here very quickly. Okay, then we have this watch list. So watch list, if you see, you can import tickers in bulk and all those things. We have all the videos. Okay, yeah. So I hope my screen is visible, guys. Yes, right. So you can import tickers in bulk. Just give me a moment. Okay. So if you go to watch list, you can do all these import. We have nice videos about them. You can go to our YouTube channel and search for watch list. You'll get those videos. Here we have cumulative volume data scanner. Okay, so see, we have this option in this column. Let me try to see if I can show you right now. I think the watch list is empty. Okay, so now you see in this watch list, I have added these many stocks, and this is my cumulative volume delta. Okay, so what I will do, if I click on this cumulative volume delta, these are sorted based on the max and min cumulative volume delta. So you can quickly identify which stock is having maximum cumulative volume delta today, and you simply click on this chart and go to there for trade. Okay, so this was about the watch list. Broker section we have already explained. Now we have very interesting option called expired contracts. Okay, so suppose you want to see the expired contracts, expired futures and options for Nifty. So you can either see options or you can see futures. Okay, now we have you can choose based on expiry. So we have as far the data is as far to, I think, yeah, it goes back to 2022. Okay, so I'm not sure why I'm not able to see it, but this data goes back to 2022. Okay, so you can select these expiries, and then you can go to strategy chart. Like, say, for example, I want to see the 24,400 put chart. Okay, so this is the 24,400 put chart. Okay, this is the call chart, and you can also, not only the candlestick chart, you can also see the order flow chart. Okay, so let me just zoom in for you. This one. Yes, so you will also see the order flow chart for them. So we just switch on, right? So this is the order flow chart. Okay, so you can do lots of back testing, and also, which I have shown in the option chain, you can also create the basket order. So basket order in expired option contracts. Okay, so suppose we want to make a straddle for this. So what we'll do is sell both these, and we'll simply click on add to chart. So this one will be the strategy, chart for the expired contracts. Okay, so this also can be done on the expired contract. So I hope things are clear now. Then we'll go again to Nifty chart. Okay, then these are calendar. Okay, so I have covered the important features which are helpful for trading to you. We also have this publish feature where you can publish your studies. Okay, so this will create an image of your study over here, and then you can put some your analysis and title, and this will publish. Then you can also do the screen recording here. Okay, and you can also again publish it. Okay, then these are some hotkeys, the shortcuts. People like shortcuts for trading. Say, for example, if you want to do the quick mode trading and all those things, you can use these hotkeys. You can take the support in the Telegram and Discord. You can join, guys. You can join our YouTube channel, Discord channel, and Telegram channel. This is your account section. Okay, so this is also important. So if you see this account section, so here your trades will be there. Okay, your orders, your trades, the position, the balance. You can choose the broker from here. So for example, this is the sim side of server. Okay, so you can choose the Kotak Neo. So for example, you have account in multiple brokers. So you want to add Dhan as well as Kotak Neo. Okay, so what you can do is you can simply go to this broker section over here. You can choose your broker, say for example Dhan. So you can click on this Dhan, and then you can put your detail over here, and then you can connect. After you are connected with Dhan, suppose you are also having a Kotak Neo. So click on this Kotak Neo, you also put the deal and also connect. So now you are connected with two brokers. Okay. Now the point is you can place trade to only one broker at a time. So when you are buying or selling, see here you have option to select the broker. So if you're placing trade in Neo, you can select the Neo. Otherwise, you can select Dhan and place the order. And based on that, in the account section, you will have, if you select Dhan, you will have Dhan trades and orders. If you select Kotak Neo, you will have the Kotak Neo trades, order, position, balance, and everything else. Okay, so I hope I'm clear till now. If everything is understandable, kindly tell me yes or no in the chat section, please. Okay, cool. So I hope the session is helpful. Okay. So after this, this is a financial. So guys, this is basically for fundamental analysis. So this will be available for stocks, for example, Reliance. Okay. So if I click on Reliance, so this will be the balance sheet, the income statement, cash flow statement. So these are for fundamental analysis. So people interested in fundamental analysis can use this feature. Now here we have some very interesting feature. I think you should definitely know about them. Okay. So let me talk about these features as well. Okay. Right. So guys, this is your layout. Okay. Now please understand this. This is very important, guys. Okay. So here we have multiple options. Save as a new layout, make a clone, create blank template, save app profile, reset app default, auto save, different options. Okay. So let me explain it one by one. So see, whatever settings of your chart, at a template level, say for example, if you have created some setting for indicator or some drawing tool, okay, so for example, if I create this line, okay, horizontal line, and then I go to setting, and here I make some text change like 45 or whatever changes I can do. Okay, so all these, if you click on here and click on save app profile, okay, so this will be saved in your profile. So this app profile will be saved. So suppose you have switched on the auto save, okay, and you click on the save app profile. Now your auto save will be on all the time. If you refresh the chart, and here you see the autosave is on. Now if you again switch it off and refresh it, see your autosave is on, still it is on. So it will be off only after you save the app profile. Okay, now your autosave will not be on. Okay, but more important to this is making a layout. So suppose you have create blank template. Okay, you give it some name, say for example test, or you can say webinar. Okay, so we have created this layout. Now guys, this is very important. Now this layout is created. Now whatever work you are going to do, it will be saved in this webinar layout. Okay, so for example, right now I have selected Reliance. I go to watch list, I select this PFC, okay, and I create one drawing. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to make the auto save on, so it will keep on saving, or after making changes, I have to click on the save layout. So all my drawings will be saved. Now I click on ONGC and again draw this, for example, this arrow. Okay, so I have to go and save layout. Now if I go back to PFC, see my this drawing will be there. But now, for example, if I change the layout to Sensex, okay, and now if I go to PFC, you will not see the drawing. Okay, so I hope you understood. So basically, whatever things you do for your layout, okay, you have to save it. So I again go to webinar and you see this PFC, it is there. And then if you, there is a button called here manage drawings. If you click on this, it will show. See, right now we have drawn only at two. One is ONGC and one is PFC. So this was, so it will show like what are the drawings under this layout. Okay, if I click on another layout, say for example Nikhil, and if I click on this, this is only CME Future. Okay, so this will keep on showing me like what are the different drawings I'm having under different layouts. So this layout option is very important, guys. You should definitely give it some time to understand. I hope I made the point clear. Okay, after this layout, we have this multiple other chart layouts. So you can have these kind of different layouts. Okay, so based on your likings, you can have multi-chart layouts, and in these multi-chart layouts, you can synchronize cursor, synchronize time, synchronize all symbols, synchronize drawings. Say for example, I am drawing anything here, so it will be synchronizing across the layouts. Okay, these are the things you can do. Okay, then we have this OI profile. This is a very popular. You can enable OI profile. So for example, if you want to see Nifty chart, okay. So for Nifty 50, the OI profile is enabled, and this is the OI profile. So we will take another dedicated webinar on OI profile also. So we'll be taking a few dedicated webinar based on the important features. So just hold on with us, guys. We'll make it very simple for you guys. We'll also upload these things on YouTube. Okay, so don't worry, if you miss the webinar, it will be there. Right, so I hope I have explained almost all the features right now, and in my opinion, nothing much is left if you talk to me based on the importance. Okay, yeah, so here this arrow is there. You can hide these indicators, and if you want to set the indicators, you can go to the settings and do all kind of settings. So this is all, I think, in terms of platform introduction of charts. Now, initially we have talked about two platforms. One is charts and another is options desk. So now let me also talk a little bit about options desk. So guys, this I'll quickly cover this in 5 to 10 minutes. So this is our option chain. Okay, from option chain also you can do buy and sell here. Okay, and then we have customized option chain, like based on Greeks, based on open interest, candle statistics. Okay, you can also customize it, okay, based on your parameters. Then we have this risk tab. So what does this risk tab do is basically you can create strategies. So you can add custom strategies, apply, then you can add some legs like sell and sell. Okay, so this is your strategy. So if you're connected with the real broker, you can click on the real trade. I just shown you how you can connect with your broker. You can also connect here. See here, this is a broker section. You can connect with your broker, and then you can place the real trades. And you can also see the strategy chart over here. Okay, so this was the strategy chart. Then we have the same charting option which we have just explained here. This charting option is also given here under the options desk. Okay, so if you just want to work over here, you can also work here. Then we have this analysis tab. So basically this is a kind of a dashboard where you can select different kind of OI change, open interest, option premium, max pain. So these are kind of dashboard for you. Then guys, this is a very important feature. Let me just give it some time to explain it to you. So see, on the left hand side, we have futures data, and on the right hand side, we have the options data. So guys, understand, for futures, the analysis is a different. What for futures, we see four things. If it is a long unwinding, if it is a short covering, if it is a long buildup, or it is a short buildup. So these are the four things, and it depends on these two parameters. So what is the price change and what is OI change? Based on that, you can have the long buildup, short buildup, long unwinding, or short covering. So it is monitoring those parameters for every 3 minutes, because OI data is updated for every 3 minutes. and then based on that, it is giving info what is happening in the futures. Now for options, you can select the strike range. Okay, whatever strike range you want, you can select for options. And for options, guys, we calculate generally put call ratio for understanding the direction. Okay, or the difference in put and call. Okay, so you can gauge the trend for options here. Okay, so we are combining both futures and options here. You can also change the metrics from OI change, volume, the turnover. Okay, you can also see these things in the graphical format. Like, okay, so this is a graphical format, and you can also do the back testing, replay the entire day data. This is replaying in terms of graphical form, right? So I hope this is clear to you. We have also, as I have shown you, we have also the playlist for this. So you can again go to Primer series for new option desk, and you can understand these things. Okay, then you can see the multi-strike data. Okay, like this. You can see the different multi-strike data and the parameters like open interest, OI change, these things. And we also have this OI dashboard where you can see the put call ratio chart, PCR charts, OI change, and these kind of things. Okay.